Samsung has officially revealed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This isn't just another iteration of Z Fold 6. Samsung has packed it with some exciting upgrades, making it the thinnest and lightest foldable yet, with cutting-edge specs and features that truly makes it stand out. So what makes this special edition different? Let's start with the design. At just 10.6mm thick and 236 grams in weight, it's slimmer and more portable than the standard Z Fold 6. Even with its more compact frame, it still offers the same impressive 8-inch internal display and 6.5-inch cover screen. This means you get all the flexibility and multitasking benefits that foldable phones are known for, without sacrificing any screen space. On top of that, Samsung has maintained its reputation for durability. The special edition is equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an Armor aluminum frame, ensuring it's as tough as it is sleek. But one of the most exciting upgrades in this model is the camera system. Samsung didn't hold back. They have equipped the Z Fold 6 Special Edition with a 200-megapixel main camera, a massive jump from the 50-megapixel camera on the regular Z Fold 6. This allows for incredible detail in your shots and supports 8K video recording, a feature rarely seen on foldables. Combined with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This phone is perfect whether you are capturing sweeping landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects. Performance-wise, it's no slouch either. It runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which ensures smooth, lightning-fast performance whether you are gaming, multitasking, or editing media. It ships with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14, and Samsung has committed to updates up to Android 15, making sure this phone stays future-proof for years. Battery life: the special edition keeps the 4400 mAh battery for the standard model, along with 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. Coupled with Samsung's optimizations, this should give you more than enough use to last a full day of heavy use. So how does the special edition differ from the regular Z Fold 6? Well, the 200-megapixel camera is obviously the big headline, offering a level of photographic quality usually reserved for flagship non-foldable models. And of course, there's the thinner and lighter design, which makes it even more portable without compromising its functionality. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. The Z Fold 6 Special Edition won't be available globally. Samsung is only launching this device in select regions such as South Korea and China, where they're competing with brands like Huawei and Oppo in the foldable market. This limited release is probably the biggest disappointment, as many fans won't be able to experience what could be the best foldable Samsung has ever made. To wrap things up, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is an impressive device that showcases some of the Samsung's best innovation in foldable tech. From its 200-megapixel camera to its sleek, lightweight design, this phone has all the makings of a flagship foldable. But with its limited release, many of us won't get the chance to try it out firsthand. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates. Let me know in the comments if you think Samsung should have made this a global release. I certainly do. Catch you in the next one.